welcome back to a brand new video, everybody. Today we are going to be playing something, not playing, rating something, cards. We're rating cards. How beautiful they are. So you can be super, down to great, down to good, down to okay. We have a pretty aggressive one right here. Bad. Yeah. Okay. This first card, it's a Lamborghini Aventador. It's black, it looks nice. I'm gonna give this one a good. It's a pretty good car. Okay, we have a newer Aventador and it's yellow. I'm still putting you in good. Ew, what is that? Ooh, it's a little weird. It's a BMW i8. Okay, I'm gonna put you in okay. Okay, so now we have this other BMW. A lot of YouTubers have these like 3 cars right here and this car. I'm gonna put this one okay. It actually looks better than that one. I'm gonna put in a good. This Porsche. Wait, actually, you know what? No, I'm putting this Aventador in a great section. And this one, you're staying in good. Okay, now this Porsche. I'm gonna put you in okay. Porsches aren't my favorite. But, ew, what is that? Ew. Disgusting. I think I need to add, another row here. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Hey. Whoa. Hold on. Okay, put you down there. Let's make it a little long. Okay, now type. What's our type color gonna be, though? Make you cyan, and then... Wait, no. It needs to match our theme. What's happening? Okay. Why did I click on this again? We're gonna make it bold because it's important. We're gonna make it the size that we always use. Let's see if I type. Yes, I can. Yes. Yeah, it deserves it. It has to go in poopy because it's not good. What is that? This one is gonna go in bad. I don't like that one. Ew. Okay, we can move you down here, even though you're still in poopy. We can also move poopy as well, right there. So we have some room to make this a little bigger. There we go. No supers yet. Okay, this one has to go in poopy. Look at that vehicle. Okay, that one might have to go in poopy as well. Okay. That was a very short video. You guys are probably like, you like this stuff. Let's do a part 2. I'm going to do like 1 trillion parts of this. Yeah. So, we finished this. So, you know what we're going to play now. Roblox. Yeah, amazing. Actually, I don't know. No Roblox today, but I play Roblox content so much. Okay, next time we're gonna rate even more cards. Next time we might even rate YouTubers. I don't know. Well, that was a very short video and I don't want to end it here. So, let's do a little bit of exploring Roblox. I'll tell you a quick reminder of what else we're going to play today in our other video today. We are going to be playing, let me search it up. Not just lifting. Come on. It's this one. Weightlifting simulator. Well, I want to do the next video today. I promise it's gonna be longer. Well, that was a great video. Make sure to like and subscribe. We need more subscribers. Really, we really do. Well, that should be end. Well, see you next time, everybody.